Hello and welcome to this new video on how to connect MetaMask to Binance. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open a MetaMask interface, and when you're inside the MetaMask interface, you just have to look on the top left hand side. There will be a drop down menu. So you just have to click on that and a pop-up box will appear. Now you just have to look at the bottom. There will be add network. In order to connect MetaMask to Binance, you just have to add a network of Binance, that is Smart Chain. So you just need to look on the screen. There will be add a network manually. So you just have to click on that. Now you just have to fill up the information. So in order to know the information, you just have to go and open the new web page, and you should click on the search bar, and after that you just have to type Smart Chain Network and the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, and you need to scroll down a little bit until you are able to see the information of BNB chain or Smart Chain. And when you have access this information, you just have to copy all those information, and you just need to go to the MetaMask and add it individually on each and every section, like network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. All the information are given here, and after that you just have to click on the save button and you just need to approve it. And when you have done that, the Smart Chain network will be added and you will be able to connect MetaMask to Binance. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.